Have a good day.
Take me away to Neverland. What colors fade?
Before you get out, how long have we been looking for this?
We've searched for this place up and down multiple times, and I've just realized we've been on the wrong side of Ceres every time we've looked for it, and I don't understand why, but we found it. So let's get some coffee.
Put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken rib off. Wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down. We'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together. We both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up. Cause we will still be high when the lights out.
And welcome to the beautiful Tankwa. This is the first time out here for me. I have never ventured this far out into the Tankwa or this far past Ceres, and I've just got onto the R355, I think it is what it's called. We're probably about 32 kilometers from the Tankwa Padstal, and that's where we are off to today. We decided last night, let's get out of the city, let's get out of the hustle and bustle. I had a crazy week, let's just have a bit of a breakdown. So not a breakdown, carved breakdown, just a bit of a getaway. So we are here. I came in with tire pressures that were way too hard. We've just dropped them down to 1.9. I read conflicting ideas of what we should be running on this, so I actually don't know, never been here before. We're going to try it. I know this road is infamous for costing people tires, but we are down to 1.9. I'm quite happy with that pressure for now. We'll see how it goes. The road has not recently been graded, and I believe that's when all the trouble comes, but here we are.
Open, and now there's a bee in the car. Chased me out.
Okay, let me get this bee out the car and then I will be right back. We've made it back into the car and neither of us went by with too much of a issue, except I got bit by something on my shoulder. I don't think it was a bee sting though, hey babe?
No one of us.
We don't know, but anyway, we are back, and for anybody that hasn't been here, this is your view for kilometers upon kilometers upon kilometers. It's just this straight dirt road all the way through, and it's actually not bad at all in terms of speed. My average speed is probably about 80 k's an hour, and it's been relatively easy going. So next stop, Tankwa Padstal.
We can pretend the time is still. Stay in the daydream, chase the thrill. Make up the way as we go. Live for the moment, lose control. Rent a car you can't afford. Put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind. Put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken rib off. Wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun
I think we have arrived.
Still be up, don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together. We both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up. Cause we will still be high when the lights out.
So we've just arrived at the farm store, we've ordered our food, and here it is, and this is their bacon, egg and cheese salmis with a roaster cook. Have you had any yet, Bear? Are you hungry? So you go and order inside, and then they send you a little bit of a voice note over a loudspeaker, come and collect your food. So we're going to dig in. So we've just finished having our lunch, and I've always known the Tankwa Padstal to have all these crazy cars that are like dug into the ground and everything like that. But what we are going to go and have a look at is this big satellite dish here, and I believe there's some aliens on the other side of it. So we're going to go and check that out quickly, maybe take a snap or two. And then there is one car park down over here that's got the bonnet dug into the ground, and let's go and get the mandatory photo by the car that's dug in the ground. Bear, what did you think of lunch?
It was nice. I enjoyed it.
Did you? What did you have? was very good. Typical farm stall type food. The atmosphere, the hosts were absolutely phenomenal. So highly recommended so far. We've walked up to this massive alien dish, and just to give you an idea of how big it is, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes, all the way up to the top. I would say it's probably, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 meters up. Check it out. So there's Bear. For size comparison, maybe it's more than 4 or 5 meters. If you stand in the middle, probably higher. I'm a bad judge of distance when it comes to this. You'd think with flying a drone I'd understand elevations a little bit more, but it's massively high. Jump, Bear. Can you touch the top? So I don't know the whole story around this, but it's pretty cool to see nonetheless. And it's got 2 little fish bowls on each side. And let me take you there and show you. I don't know if it's going to come out in the camera, but on each of the bowls, and actually so there was a little hole in the bottom there that I shoved the camera up to show you what's on the inside of this, and then this is the back end of it. Again, massive, and when you stand here and look at it and then you see those line of clouds coming down there, it does look like aliens have landed. And there's my number 1 alien. And then on that side, we really do have the aliens. Let's go check it out. These guys are actually pretty cool. I think these are hula hoops that they've spray painted, and the rest of it is like a concrete mix of sorts or something. But again, pretty cool. But how are these views? Absolutely epic. Breathtaking. So that is almost it for our little stay here at the farm stall. We are going to go and check out that car. As much as it's windy here, this heat is unbearable. And then from here we're going to decide, we're going to get back onto the main road. It's 35 k's back to the main road from here, and we're just going to play it by ear. We may end up going, ooh, check it out, new Cruiser 300 series. Probably the first time it's ever hitting dirt. A lot of comments about that where people say they don't like them. I actually think that they are pretty epic looking. The only things that it needs is a nice set of tyres just to bring the wheels out a little bit more, or a nice set of wheels to bring the whole offset out a little bit more. I actually think they're pretty cool. So yeah, so we are going to head back to the main road. From there we're just going to see how the day's going, and probably go back to Durbanville via the Middelburg Pass, which takes us all the way through to Citrusdal, and then we'll hit the N7 and head the whole way down. So in total, if our plans work out, we would have done about 600 kilometers today, maybe, give or take. So nice little outing for that. Just goes to show, if you really want to overland and you just want to make a day trip of it, you really can. It was impromptu. We decided let's just go and have a look and let's just get it done. But man, this thing, can we put one of these in our garden one day? Well, why not? I mean, who else can say they have an alien spaceship in their garden? For realsy.
Who needs an alien spaceship?
I'll take that as a no. This needs to be a hidden secret project. You know, I'll paint it in camo and then you'll never see it, but I'll know it's there and I'll hide out inside of it. Okay, let's go see the car. We've made it to the car and Lenny says make it quick, but here we have it. Underneath this car. Oh, me and my pluckies, I just lost them again. I really should get some other shoes, but here she is. Nice old car, nose deep in the ground. Been here for a while. I'm actually quite surprised that she's not a little bit more dented and rusted and everything. But over here we've got Dustin Diesel, Family Yucks Tracks. I just started following him on Instagram. General Tire, hey, check, we got General Tire there too. But yeah, what a epic little spot that we came to and we found today. Now it's a little bit far to drive all the way from Durbanville for the normal crowd, but Lenny and I tend to not really worry about the distances and everything like that. Babe, are we going to be back?
Sure.
When? Next weekend?
No, not next weekend.
No, not next weekend, but we definitely will be back. And you know what I think we need to do is grab a couple of mates, head out here, come and have a bit of a braai, so it's a little bit more social other than just a quick grab a bite of food to eat and disappear again. But man, it's beautiful here, absolutely beautiful. So I must let you all on a little secret quickly. I've been thinking about buying some seaside property, and I think I've just found exactly what I'm looking for. Here we have beachfront property for sale, occupation 2050 due to global warming. I thought that was quite funny. The humor out here is amazing, but here we have, out in the middle of the desert, a boat. We got a boat, people. What else do we need? We got aliens, we got dishes, we've got cars stuck in the ground, and now we got a boat. So we needed to take a bit of a detour. We are not going to end up going down Middelburg Pass today. I missed the turn off because I was focusing on something else. So we have decided to come back to Durbanville through Slanghoek, and we're just about to pass over the Low River Bridge, or the Low Bridge Crossing, or whatever you want to call it. And you know what, that's the awesome thing about these random adventures, is that you can just swap and change as you need to. We are actually heading home now, and enjoying a little bit of different scenery that I haven't been down here in Yonks, and I don't know that you've ever been down this way before. And sometimes you just need to get the missus to drive your van while you take a gentle walk across the bridge to just take in the view. It is just stunning out here, and this is the low-lying bridge that goes from Worcester side across to Slanghoek side. And often when we have some heavy rains, this bridge actually goes underwater. So, but I mean, these views are just amazing. I've never walked across here before, but there's a first time for everything. Sometimes you just got to put on your pluckies and walk. Gorgeous. You did a good job of driving across the river there. Do you feel like G.I. Jane? I'll tell you what, $50 and you jump in there.
The water's probably ice cold. $50, make it like 100,000.
It makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. I just wonder. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder.
And just like that, we are back at home. We covered a total of about 450 k's today. We didn't quite get everywhere that we wanted to go, but you know what, that's the beauty of going on these random adventures, that we just get to go wherever we want and not have to worry. And it just proves that when you want to get out there and just go and see what's happening around you, you can. But that's it for today. We are finishing up with this video, so please, if you like what you saw, what do they have to do?
Like, subscribe, and leave us a comment down below.
Smash that subscribe button. I don't know why people don't understand. I mean, like, we live in the 21st century. To subscribe is free. It doesn't cost you anything, and you get to follow people like us making awesome videos for people like you. So yes, Lindy's right. Leave us some love in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.
Cheers.
A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. Hubba hubba, baby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, yeah.